HuBei JinDong Electronic Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the research and development, design, production, and sales of automotive electric horn. The company is located in HuBei JinDong Industrial Park, covering an area of 12,000 square meters, with a total construction area of 32,000 square meters, has 4 modern production workshops and a comprehensive office building with a scientific layout and perfect facilities. The company was settled in 2023 as an investment project in HuBei with 120 employees, including 25 high-level technical and management personnel. The company has introduced 6 sets of fully automatic assembly equipment, 6 specialized production lines, and many sets of high-precision testing instruments, realizing the whole process of automated production from core component processing to finished product assembly, testing, and packaging, with an annual production capacity of 8 million sets and a strong scale of supply and quality assurance capabilities. The company adheres to independent innovation, has 9 utility model patents, registered FHL, GBSY, 9个, Mingwang, and other independent brands. The company has formed an intellectual property system driven by science and technology and empowered by innovation. Our products cover CNC electric horn, intelligent control, electric horn, volume control system, high-performance drive circuit, and other series with stable performance and excellent sound effect, which are widely used in commercial vehicles and passenger cars and trusted by customers. The company has passed IATF 16949 Automotive Quality Management System, European E-Mark and CQC certifications, and strictly implements international standards to ensure stable and reliable quality, with excellent quality and continuous innovation. Our products are exported to Europe, America, the Middle East and Southeast Asia, and we have become the long-term partner of many famous international automobile brands, adhering to the mission of creating excellence, achieving win-win. JinDong Electronics will continue to be customer-centered and striver-oriented to promote the industry upgrading towards specialization, intelligence, and internationalization, so that the world can hear the surging voice of Made in China.